Welcome to 2026. Find out what we're going to be doing this year? Stick around. Well, hello again, Internet, and welcome back to the channel. Yep, we are into 2026, and it couldn't have come any sooner for me, or any later for me. So what are we going to be doing for this new year? Well, this past year, I got to tell you, man, we missed a lot, but we actually gained a lot as well. So what did we miss? Well, my health has given me a lot of problems this past year. We're pretty much on a much better road on that. What has it given us? Well, I wouldn't be out here on this bike if it wasn't for all those health issues. That's what kind of brought me into this. But what are we going to be doing on the Southern Cycling and Beyond? Well, we're going to be continuing with the same format that we've been doing. We're going to give you the road trips that Michelle and I take, the e-bike content. We'll do some reviews if it's a product that I really feel good about. You know, I don't submit my videos for review. When somebody approaches me, if it looks like something I would like, I let them know real quick that, hey, I may not be, I'm not going to be getting you a video to submit for your approval. I don't want a link that gives me a commission. If you have to give me a link, it's zero commission. I'm not interested in anything like that. So that usually knocks them out. But we get some that really still want us to do a review. And sometimes we'll get somebody that will want us to do a review, and we'll look at the product and say, you know what, I'd love to review this. And they don't want to go with that. Well, you know, hey, if it looks like it's that good, I'll purchase the thing. And we've got a little deal working on similar to that right now. We'll go straight through here. I think I know where I'm at, though. So we're going to be bringing you all that content. We are also going to be bringing you some moto vlogging. And I think what I'm going to do is I will separate them by putting Honda NX500 as a first word, or Ebikes, or Kawasaki KLX300. And that's how I think we'll go ahead and separate these things, so that you'll know if it's something that you're not interested in. But don't just click away from the video, because we got some things that cross over to both of them. Let me give you an example. One of the things that I'm doing is I am starting to develop back road routes. I've got one in my own home county that's 100 miles of, let me drop this face shield down, 100 miles long of different interesting areas, and a motorcycle route in my home county. Well, what does that have to do with e-bikes and cycling? Well, in the pursuit of doing that, I wanted to give everybody a very good way of navigating these things. So I've been looking for a good navigation app for that. And what I have come up with is a way of getting free voice navigation. Not just voice navigation, but custom voice navigation. So I could put, like you see in that sign back there, you know, tight, a lot of sharp curves coming up. Well, I can put that on the app, and it'll tell you ahead of time sharp curves coming up. Or if you are e-biking, it can be off to the right is a great viewpoint. And so I think that would fall over to both categories. Did I also mention it is 100% free? We're going to be showing you how to do that. What else is going on? Well, we have changed over all of our filming to DJI equipment. I have one, well, you can probably see because I'll split these films here. I got a Action 4 on my handlebar. I got an Action 5 on, wonder where I'm at. I got an Action 5 on my helmet. The GoPros, well, I'll tell you, when Black Friday come along, they put the Action 5 on sale, $100 off. I couldn't just resist that, so I went ahead and got that. Of course, that's the day I went out and bought this Honda too, so I guess by Black Friday I really spent some money. But the GoPros, I've got one of them for sale. It's GoPro 8, and I gave one to my daughter as soon as I bought the Action 5. You know, she's been kind of hinting about one, and I thought, well, should I buy her one for Christmas, or what should I do? And I thought, no, I'm just going to give her this one. And so that's what we did. We went ahead and gave her one. What else have we got going on? Well, I don't know. I think I'm just going to wrap it up right there. I just wanted to welcome everybody to 2026 and tell you I'm sure glad to be here. I hope you are as well, and I hope you all have a very blessed entire year. Once again, Southern Cycling and Beyond, telling you, stay safe, God bless, hey, keep the wheels rolling. Once again, we're out.